All animals are members of the kingdom Animalia. Animal diversity is the range of species of animals that exist within the kingdom Animalia. By some very rough estimates, there are 9 or 10 million species of animals that live on the earth. Animals range in size from no more than a few cells to organisms weighing many tons, such as the blue whale. This is a look at the phylogenetic tree of the animal kingdom. Animals are classified according to their characteristics. The kangaroo is in the most recent phylum to have developed, the Chordata phylum. The kangaroo is bilaterally symmetrical. This allows for directed movement and cephalization to occur. Advanced or obvious cephalization has occurred. This means that the kangaroo has a head with a brain and sense organs located at one end of its body. The kangaroo can be described as triploblastic, as 3 layers of tissue form in the embryo. The third layer, which only more advanced organisms possess, is the mesoderm. Cells from the mesoderm can form a thick mass and later form organs. The kangaroo has a through gut, which means that a mouth for ingesting food and an anus for egesting waste are both present. The kangaroo has a coelom and blood systems, which allow the animal to develop organs and limbs. The development of limbs is a huge help to the kangaroo, as it aids movement. The coelom divides the mesoderm in half. Kangaroos live in the huge open spaces of the Australian outback, so they use one of the most efficient modes of transportation in the animal kingdom, jumping. Kangaroos' teeth are specialized for chewing tough plants and grasses. Due to the fact that the kangaroo lives in such dry conditions, it can survive when only drinking twice a week. It does this by getting as much water as possible from the plants that it eats. The female kangaroo carries the baby kangaroo, or joey, in a pouch, where it lives for the first few months after being born. The pouch is common in most marsupials and is unique to the marsupial group. Kangaroos cause lots of damage to crops and fences, and as a result the Australian government has implemented programs to cull large numbers of wild kangaroos. Kangaroo meat, usually sourced from these culls, is sold as food in Australia. Kangaroos lessen the possibility of bushfires by eating dry grass that ignites easily. They help to spread seeds, assisting in plant reproduction. Their urine and feces is a natural fertilizer. It is believed that when European explorers first saw these strange hopping animals moving around in the Australian outback, they asked a native Australian Aborigine what they were called. The Aborigine replied, "Kangaroo," which means "I don't understand you" in the Aboriginal language. The explorers thought this was the kangaroo's name, and the name has stuck ever since.